I often think the look of these machines epitomizes what Reagan called the evil empire. Or then again, perhaps they look like those multifaceted eyes of the housefly magnified 100 times to terrify the children. But despite all that sinister ugliness, the hinds produce a spellbindingly graceful aerial dance. It's a huge helicopter. The 5-bladed rotor is nearly 18 metres in diameter. That's not far short of a cricket pitch in size. And those stub wings underneath, they can carry things like anti-tank missiles, rocket pods, bombs, cluster bombs even, and the big gun at the front, directed by the helmet-mounted gun sight of the crew. But unlike the Western attack helicopters, these ones can also carry troops inside at the same time. Quite an extraordinary machine. There's certainly nothing like it in the West, but there is the British Army's Lynx, and behind that the Gazelles of the Army Air Corps display team. Up with the Lynx flying straight through the Gazelle's neat diamond formation.